Hello folks, welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching. Today we're working on a new load for my Smith & Wesson 986. You saw in the intro the powder I'm using and the bullet I'm using, or projectile I'm using. This was a viewer suggestion in terms of trying a heavier bullet in the Smith & Wesson 986. So let's go ahead and see how she does. Alright folks, so I have a target out at just over 25 yards. I am shooting off a tripod with a bag and rest. Try to get as accurate as I can. So let's get right to it. I do have a chronograph. We'll have a split screen shot, and we'll get 7 shots in and see. Hopefully we get some numbers for you. So here we go. That picked up. I think that vertical is a little bit more me. Wow. Wow. All 7 shots went, and grouping looks pretty decent. Number wise, you'll see up here chronograph data. Alright folks, so you saw how that went. Standard deviation 18.6, and accuracy wise it's okay. I mean, it was you know it hit center of mass where I was aiming. So I do like the feel of that powder combination and that projectile weight. So I may use that as a plinking load. So hopefully you folks enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.